Today we are going to read about the various topics in the microbiology chapter that you should know. So there are various topics that you must know in the microbiology chapter. So you have to know about the basic bacteriology. In the basic bacteriology, you have to know about the bacterial structures, the type of strain, the growth media, and the growth cultures. You have to also know about the types of the bacteria. Uh, the bacterial genetics. Under the bacterial genetics, you have to know the transformation, conjugation, and transduction. These three topics you should know under the bacterial genetics. And also you have to know about the exotoxin and endotoxins. On the clinical bacteriology, you have to know detail about the gram positive and the gram negative bacteria. We'll also discuss about the various important gram positive and gram negative bacteria. You have to know about the mycology. In the mycology, you have to know about systemic mycosis, cutaneous mycosis, and opportunistic fungal infection. In the parasitology, you have to know about the protozoa. In the protozoa, we have flagellates, sporozoa, ciliata, and the amoeboids. Whereas in the helminth, we have the cystodes, trematodes, and nematodes. You have to know about the virology. In the virology, you have to know the structure and the genetics of the virus. You have to know the various types of RNA and DNA viruses. On the systemic microbiology, you have to know about the various flora of our body, microbial flora, and the various microbacteria and their infection. You should also know about the various antimicrobial. On the antimicrobial, you have to know about the antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and antiparasites. You have to know about the various drugs that you should avoid during the pregnancy. So, and the various drugs that have teratogenic effect are needed to be avoided in the pregnancy. So you should know the drugs to avoid in the pregnancy. So these are the various topics that you should know in the microbiology. So in this various topic, there are various subtopics that you must know in the microbiology chapter.